Hi friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. If you're looking for a quick and delicious way to cook salmon in under 30 minutes, you're going to love this recipe. Today we're making miso glazed salmon with roasted sweet potatoes, carrots, and a fresh side salad. Comfort food without the fuss. I actually came across this recipe at my bariatric doctor's office, and when I found a great deal on salmon, I knew I had to try it. Here's what you'll need for the salmon. 1 tablespoon of red miso, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, 4 salmon fillets about 5 ounces each, and 1/4 cup of sliced scallions. And for the roasted veggies, 2 to 3 sweet potatoes peeled and cubed, 3 to 4 carrots peeled and sliced on a bias, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, any seasoning of your choice, I use adobo, and a little Parmesan cheese for topping. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Toss the sweet potatoes and carrots in a bowl with olive oil and seasoning and spread them out on a foil-lined baking sheet. Sprinkle with Parmesan and roast for about 25 minutes or until tender. While those roast, let's prep the salmon. Pat dry the salmon with a paper towel. Then line another baking sheet with foil and lightly coat it with cooking spray. In a small bowl, whisk together the miso, lime juice, soy sauce, pepper, and honey, and spoon the glaze evenly over the salmon fillets. When the veggies are done, set them aside. Switch the oven to broil with the rack about 7 inches from the heat source. Broil the salmon for 5 to 7 minutes until it flakes easily with a fork. While the salmon was broiling, I tossed together a quick side salad with a salad kit I had on hand. Super simple, but fresh and tasty. Now it's time to plate everything up. Add the roasted veggies, a scoop of salad, and top the salmon with scallions if you'd like. And here it is, miso glazed salmon with roasted veggies and salad, ready in just 30 minutes. So simple, filling, and delicious. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. I'll leave a link to the original recipe in the description. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to cook salmon, and what would you like to see me make next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time.